Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. From the clean and reliable official Xbox headset to premium picks like the Razer Blackshark 5 3 Pro and budget favorites like the Turtle Beach Stealth 500, there's something here for everyone. So, if you're ready to find the perfect Xbox headset, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Let's go! Starting with the best audiophile Xbox headset, the Audeze Maxwell. You can ask anyone who has used the Audeze Maxwell if it's worth its price tag, and you're going to get the same answer. It's a resounding yes, including from me. It sports a sleek, nondescript design akin to many audiophile-style pairs of headphones and performs just like one as well. Its 90mm planar magnetic drivers jump out from the spec sheet. And while bigger drivers don't always mean better, this is one case in which the audio experience matches the driver size flex. Overall clarity, balance across frequencies, and a rich natural audio profile make this high-end headset stand out from the rest of the pack. That said, while the Maxwell is comfortable, it does land on the heavier side of gaming headsets. It's built like a tank, but if you're okay with that, then it's more of a non-issue. It comes with a 2.4 GHz USB-C wireless receiver, which makes it a great candidate for the Switch 2 when playing handheld as well. When you get a great mix of sound quality, battery life, and features such as toggleable noise isolation, it's easy to justify its high price. Perfect for audiophile-level sound. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is the best high-end Xbox headset. After testing a lot of gaming headsets, it's no small feat that our review of the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is a perfect 10 out of 10. Noise distractions are unavoidable, especially if you live with roommates or in a bustling metropolis, so grabbing a headset with powerful noise cancellation like the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless is vital. On offer is a hybrid noise-canceling system with 4 mics that adjust based on what you're listening to and what it picks up in your environment. Improved ear cups also help with sound isolation, and a simple button press activates a transparency mode. With SteelSeries' latest, we see the biggest design shift since the start of the Arctis lineup, with new telescoping arms on its adjustable headband to better accommodate larger head sizes. SteelSeries recently announced a new white edition of the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless, adding a bit more comfort and slightly better ANC while keeping everything else we love about the headset the same. Perfect 10 out of 10. The Razer Blackshark 5 3 Pro is the best competitive Xbox headset. The latest headset from Razer took me by surprise with how much it genuinely improved over its previous model. With the new Blackshark 5 3 Pro, you get a rare combo of top-notch audio performance, long-term comfort with sports mesh padding, and powerful active noise cancellation. Even with the sports mesh upholstery on the earpads, which typically doesn't create as good of a seal, it is impressively strong at blocking outside noise through ANC. The Xbox model comes in a black scheme with green stitching to match the platform's aesthetic, and it looks fantastic. More importantly, its expansive feature set helps it stand out. Wired analog audio, Bluetooth, ANC, great microphone clarity, fine-tuned EQ profiles, solid battery life, smart implementation of 3D audio, sensible onboard controls, and the lowest latency from a wireless headset thus far. Perfect for competitive gaming. The official Xbox headset, Gen 2, earns our pick as the best all-around Xbox headset, especially if you want something that just works perfectly right out of the box. Designed specifically for Xbox consoles, it connects seamlessly and delivers rich, immersive sound that's great for everything from competitive multiplayer to cinematic single-player games. Comfort is solid thanks to the dense ear padding, which holds up well during long gaming sessions. While players who prefer looser or oversized headsets might need a moment to dial in the fit, once it's adjusted, it stays comfortable and secure. This Gen 2 version brings meaningful refinements, including improved battery life and a noticeably better microphone for clearer voice chat. They may seem like small upgrades on paper, but together they make an already excellent headset even more reliable. If you want a hassle-free, great-sounding headset built specifically for Xbox without overspending, the official Xbox headset, Gen 2, is a fantastic choice and one of the best values available today. The Turtle Beach Stealth 500 is the best budget Xbox headset. The reasonable price tag, balanced sound, and simple connectivity to the Xbox Series X/S of Turtle Beach's Stealth 500 earn it a spot on this list. The design isn't revolutionary, but the unibody build is easy to contort to fit your head while remaining lightweight and durable. Unfortunately, the ear cups aren't adjustable, and the headband can't extend. Still, the stretchable strap inside the band makes for a secure fit, and the plush padding on the ear cups kept the headset comfortable for hours. The Turtle Beach Stealth 500's fantastic sound quality is the main reason to grab this headset. It outperforms many other budget headsets, delivering a well-rounded audio performance with a clean bass and decent mids and highs. Should you need to change the sound profile, Turtle Beach's Swarm 2 app makes it easy to swap between a few audio presets, and pressing a button on the ear cup switches between 4 audio presets. The signature sound was the best preset for well-balanced and bold audio. Perfect budget option. The HyperX Cloud the 30 is the best wired headset for Xbox. No matter which version of the HyperX Cloud headset you go with, you'll be getting a quality product. If you're running on a budget, I always recommend the wired HyperX Cloud the 30, which can often be found below its $100 base price. It punches above its weight with impressive sound and mic quality and great comfort. Plus, it's built like a brick house, so it's not going to fall apart through years of use. Out of the box, the Cloud the 3 impressed with its build and durability. Its aluminum frame can be flexed and contorted in any direction without ever feeling like it's gonna break. Stretching the headset out to fit on your head is super easy. At the end of the day, it's all about sound quality, and the Cloud 3 handles various frequencies wonderfully. You probably don't want to spend extra on a decent microphone. Luckily, the mic clarity on the Cloud 3 was equally as impressive. Perfect wired option. The SteelSeries Arctis Game Buds are the best earbuds for Xbox. Gaming earbuds are a fairly recent trend, with the notable peripheral companies making their own. It's tough because of the limited driver size and battery life. Earbuds tend to make sacrifices. But the SteelSeries Arctis Game Buds are so impressive because of how uncompromising these little rounded buds are. On top of having solid foundations of sound quality, battery life, and long-term comfort, SteelSeries has one of the most robust software suites, which is easily controllable through a mobile app. This lets you access its 100-plus custom-tuned EQ profiles easily. Although there are a few minor inconveniences with some quality-of-life features, the Game Buds do all the important things extremely well. While you should definitely use these as your primary earbuds to listen to music on your phone, they really shine in games. At $160, these have a cheaper base price than the Razer Hammerheads. It's the battery life, software support, and overall comfort that make the Game Buds the best all around. All right, everyone, those are the best Xbox headsets of 2026. Drop a comment and tell me what headset you're using. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.